So I just got this app on the iPad for my cat here, Zoe, and she has been wondering what to do with it. I mean, she's been playing with it obviously like this. She's trying to get the spider there. Get it, Zoe. She, she's been trying to bite the screen. Let me see here. Let me see if I can turn it on something else. Watch your pausey. Here, we'll put it on the mouse. See what she does. But anyway, I was like, I should record this and, put it on here. But it was real funny when I was like, let me look up a goldfish bowl and see if they have that app for the cat. So I took the iPad back and she started tearing up. Notice the iPad case is on the floor. She tossed that on the ground, looking for the rat and the mouse and the spider. going through my social studies, my history book for college. Here, watch.
Watch what happens.
Watch what happens when I shut it off. Where'd it go, Z? Where'd it go, Zoe? Where's the mouse?
It was just here.
Where's the mouse? Is he in there?
I swear.
Yeah, if we can lift it up. Here. Is it underneath there? No? Where'd it go? Is it in the book? I swear it was just here. Where is this? Where's this mouse? Watch. Now she's gonna go through my history book. Maybe the mouse went in here.
Where'd it run off to?
Where'd he go? There was a spider, and a mouse, and a rat. And now they're all gone. Where'd they go? Z, it's not in there. Alright. It must be stuck in the iPad.
Let's try this again.
Let's try this one.
Maybe it's on this side.
Hey, you better not scratch that thing up, you.
Tearing the house up.
Yeah. You done? Hold on. You want me to bring him back for you? Here you go. There he is.
There's Pinky.